just use shredded coconut.
Oh.
Alright, first, you open your can of evaporated milk.
And coconut milk.
You shake well before you open them. We did that. Don't worry about it.
An hour later.
3 hours later. Alright. Okay. And then you mix them in the blender.
And then you add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. That was not all.
That's why when you when you put stuff in the blender when you're mixing, you put it over, and then you put the teaspoon just in case you get a little dripped off, or you know you want to put a little extra. It's okay. It's okay. Anyway, then you put like 3 teaspoons of cinnamon.
Do I like?
And you do it like this.
Don't do the mistake I did.
We'll clean it after. And then you add 1 cup of sugar. And then you blend it. And make sure it's like milk type of texture. And then what you do is you put it into a container. It could be a bowl container, any container that you choose. And then what you do is you put the coconut that's shredded into the container along with what you've mixed. And you could put as much coconut as you want, but you put the whole package of the coconut. And then what you do is you mix it in there. And if you don't like as the coconuts being so big, you could shred it in the blender before doing this. And you mix it, make sure there's no coconut chunks. Make sure everything's mixed together. The physical change.
Oh, the physical change of it, it's the coconut shredded.
The coconut shredded
Shredded coconut.
didn't change, so it would be a physical change.
No, but it's a chemical change because
It's changed color altogether. And when you put it into the freezer, you'll see how much it's changed. So now what you do is you put it into popsicle kind of containers, or you could put it even in bags or cups, because they're supposed to be like popsicles. And then that's it. And then once you have them all together, then you put them in the freezer.
Are you going to put the steak on it?
I don't have a stick because
Oh.
I lost it. And you should put it in the freezer, in our little freezer here. And then you leave it for about 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. I don't know. Leave it. And these are the results. These are the ones in the bag. And these are the ones that we put in popsicle containers. And the cinnamon's at the bottom, the milk's in the middle, and the coconut on top, as well as for these. And that is the chemical change that they have because they've changed colors and the layers. And we found the yellow thing. You're welcome.
It's like cinnamon.
It's sweet.
You can taste that coconut.
Good for the summer.
It's hot today.
It really is.
So do you guys like it?
Oh, you have a sweet tooth, yeah?
Alright then.
Maybe you love coconut.
And then you could make it in different flavors.
Mango.
Mango. Pineapple.
Or fruit.
Fruits.
Whatever fruit you like.
Charamusca.
And that's what my mom would call them in bag form. But those are a different dish. We don't need to talk about that.
Charamuscas.
Voy a hablar ya, ok.
Sí, ya habla.
En estos momentos me voy a comer este limber. Porque estos limber son bien ricos. Con limber de coco y es de Puerto Rico. Vamos a comer esto porque está rico. Vaya. Ay, no es mejor que esto, espérate.
Oh my god.
Ay, otra vez porque está bueno.
And this is my dad.
Otra vez.
Ya no.
Mm.
Ya.